In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage blog tags in Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to enhance your blogging strategy, mastering blog tags is essential for organizing your content and making it more discoverable. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Simply open up your web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Upon reaching the homepage, you'll see the familiar interface that allows you to access the various tools HubSpot offers for your business. Now look towards the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your personal HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. This is your main hub for navigating through all of HubSpot's features. From here, focus your attention on the navigation bar and click on Content. This section is your gateway to managing all the content that you've created or plan to create, including blogs. After you've clicked on Content, proceed to select Blog. It's in this area that you'll manage all your blog posts, create new content, and of course manage your blog tags. Next, you need to click on the Create button. You'll usually find this button prominently displayed, often in the top right area of the screen. This is the button you'll use to initiate the creation of new content, including blog posts. Upon clicking Create, you'll see an option to create blog post. Select this to begin drafting a new post or to manage the settings of an existing one. Now that you're in the blog post editor, it's time to handle your blog tags. Head over to the Settings tab, situated typically at the top of the blog editor interface. Once you are in Settings, you'll notice various options to configure your blog post. Here you'll find a field labeled Select One or More Tags. Clicking on this option will allow you to view existing tags or choose to add new ones to better categorize your content. Finally, if you need to create a new tag, simply click Add a Tag. You can enter your desired tag name, ensuring it properly encapsulates the subject matter of your blog post. Once you've added and selected the appropriate tags, you're all set to go. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through creating and managing blog tags in HubSpot. Easy when you know how, right? Keeping your content organized with tags not only helps in search engine optimization, but also provides a better user experience for your readers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging.